3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This means compressor palas. Okay. This one and this one. This one 3, this one 10. So this compressor palas. Compressor not working. Compressor not working. So I want this bridge. 30 KS K 5 30K inside. Blinking. Start up. Bring compressor. See.
Asiba! Asiba!
Now working. Compressor working. See? Okay. Compressor problem. Oh, okay. This is good.